Hello everybody, my name is Mitchell Singletary. This is my father, Dr. Singletary, and my sister, Savannah Singletary, and we're here to introduce a new challenge to you all for the new year.
Our challenge to you for the new year is to brush and floss your teeth at least once a day, ideally after every meal. And why is that, Dr. Singletary?
Well, we know that it takes 40 days to establish a habit, and we know it takes 24 hours for the bad guys to grow in the plaque. So, if you brush and floss real good, maybe right before you go to bed, and then really brush after you eat, you should. We know that we can control the bacterial growth and keep the bad guys from coming and growing, and then your immune system reacting to that. So we want you to do an honor system. Do it real good once a day, 40 days in a row, establish that habit, and then you come into the office, and the first 10 patients that come in and say they've done this for 40 days, we got a Starbucks gift card for you.
Good luck.
This is North Raleigh Perio. Keep smiling.